Whoa, that never goes like that. So we got the Makita here. It's the XGT 40 volt. It's the belt sander. I don't know what, oh, 3x21. I couldn't tell you. All you European guys got that. But we're gonna open this up. Dust bag. I don't know what you would use this for. Instructions. And the tool itself. Box is empty. So you can adjust your handle. I'm sure in the instructions it tells you how to do it. So that's pretty cool. You can have it like this. You can bring it back if you want zero clearance in the front. It's pretty nice. Take this here battery off. This is one of their new pouchless cell lithium batteries. Pretty nice. Pretty sweet. Tighten this bad boy up. Sounds good. Push that little button, it just runs. It's got variable speeds. We got, you got to take a lot of shit off speed. And then we got, I don't really want to damage anything speed. And then there's some numbers in between, I don't know what they mean. But I'm super stoked for this. I'm assuming that this is where this would go. You might want to use it. It's actually got a little spring on it. It's pretty nice. I would sand something, but it's too good looking right now. So we'll just leave it like that. And we'll load this bad boy up on the truck and put her into service.